Hindi na. Okay, so we have the another entry model na binigay ni ICT, which is the OTE or the optimal trade entry. Okay. According to ICT, the optimal trade entry strategy, one of the approach that traders can utilize to identify high probability setups. It's very important to utilize what specific time and day when OTE was likely to occur. So sabi doon, meron siyang specific timing at day na kung saan mas mataas yung OTE projection or OTE level according to ICT. Okay? So dito, sabi ni ICT, timing for OTE between 8:30 to 11 o'clock New York time. Okay? So since most of you is crypto trader, pwede natin siyang gamitin but on the higher time frame perspective. Okay? Well, pwede din siyang entry model dun sa lower time frame pero hindi ko siya magagaranteed na 100%. Kasi meron talaga siyang time. Okay? So time-based time-based projection. Okay? OTE happens on this 2 hours and 30 minutes time window. So 2 hours and 30 minutes time window lang yung niya, yung tawag dito, yung range niya na kung saan andun yung level na palaging nire-respect. Either order block or fair value gap lang din. So, ganoon lang din yung mga simple approach niya, okay? So, here we have the levels. So, from 0, then yung profit scaling. Okay? 1 or 100% is the invalidation. So, mapapansin nyo yung kulay red. Yan yung invalidation. 0.5 or 50% is the equilibrium. Kasi, yung 0 at yung 100% is, yan yung dealing range high and dealing range low. So, sa dealing range high and dealing range low, meron siyang equilibrium. So kadalasan kasi yung price is nagkakaroon siya ng immediate rebalance dun sa equilibrium. So same with PDRA, yung premium and discount. Kaya meron siyang 50%. Okay? So dito naman as 0.62 or the 62% meron tayong entry 1. So dito meron tayong 0.705 or the 70.5% or the OTE level. So meron tayong 0.79 or 79% or the NT3, negative 0.27 or negative 27% is the PP1, negative 0.62 or 62% is TP2, then negative 1 or negative 100 is the symmetrical swing or the negative, and lastly we have the negative 2 or negative 200% is the final target. Okay? So dito sa negative 1 or negative 100%, ito yung kadalasan ito yung nagiging swing targets. Okay? So meron siyang swing, ang tawag dito, symmetrical swing na kung saan makikita natin kung align ba yung 100 or negative negative 100 or negative 200 dun sa mga draw on liquidity. Okay? So, ganun yon. So, screenshot nyo to guys kung ano na, kung wala na, para ma-apply natin dun sa, tawag dito, dun sa market. Okay? And so, kapag naman, screenshot na guys. Lang. Hindi ko na lang dito. And screenshot ko na para sa inyo. And so, I think, na. Okay, so, punta na tayo dun sa, punta na tayo dun sa, tawag dito, trading view. Stop streaming na ako, Port siya. So,